All right. Thank you for tuning into my MIT front end bad bank presentation. Um, so here we've got the home page loading on the Bootstrap card, the welcome message, and we do not have an image loading, but we can create an account here. If I leave this blank, it will not allow me to create an account until I give it a name. Same with the email. And if I leave the password too short, oh, that was actually long enough. I, oops, if I give it a password that is not long enough, it will give me this error. So you want to go ahead and do that to make a deposit. This deposit button will be disabled until I enter a real amount. However, if I want to make another deposit and give it a letter, that won't work. Same with a negative number. So if I want to go here and withdraw some money, um, I can do that. However, if I try to withdraw with a letter, that won't work, or a higher amount than my balance, so an overdraft, get this insufficient funds error. And over to the all data. Of course, I've got my nav working well. We can see all these accounts I've made, and I could not get this. One of my issues I ran into was I could not get this to store on a Bootstrap card similar to all of these without it breaking. So I just left this as is into this little table. Um, and yeah, I did run into a couple of issues, quite a few issues when building this project. Of course, I built this front end over a month ago now. So um, there were quite a few issues, namely the API response error in the policies box of AWS 3. I was not able to update that. I just kept getting errors returned anytime I would try to deploy, um, and just had no success with AWS with this project. So when I took to GitHub Pages, I also had some problems, but I realized ultimately there was an issue with my routing, I believe in the app.js file. So I believe that was the issue, and I got everything up and working from there. And overall, just a good project to familiarize myself with working with data, handling data, and context files, and all of that. Um, yep. Thank you.